to the search bar and try to put any company of your choice, right? So we will be seeing for a chemical company. Now when you will scroll down, guys, such kind of technical charts would come. I want everybody to focus over here, this is important, right? Go to PE ratio and click over here. Such kind of technical chart would come. Now I will be teaching very slowly so that you can grasp the things, right? And when I will scroll down, so I had chosen this company, alkyl amines, right? Chemical limited, it sounds like a chemical company, right? So when I will scroll down, guys, there will be a peer comparison over here. Again, it's very important, right? Now when we will doing the sectoral analysis, guys, we need to compare the PE ratio of the industry first of all. Means how a sector is performing, how you would get to know that should I buy this stock or not? Is it the right time to buy the stock? Because guys, it's not about the company is good or bad, right? It is about the right timing, right entry or right exit. It's very important. You can make losses in a good company as well if you enter at very high prices, and you can make huge profits in a bad company as well if you enter in a right time, basically. So first thing that we will be doing over here, we will be going to the peer comparison, and we will be using this industry PE. Means for all the chemical companies, what is the PE ratio, right? So PE generally means, what is the full form of PE? As such, guys, this is your homework, but it is profit to earning ratio. इसमें ज़्यादा डीप में we will be doing a separate session on PE ratio, but I'll give you a outline of this. Lesser the PE ratio, discounted the stock is. Let me repeat myself. जितना कम PE ratio होगा उतना discount होता है stock में. Lesser the PE ratio, discounted the stock is. Means just imagine yourself buying a Nike shoe, a pair of shoe, right? And you wanted to buy a pair of shoes, a running shoes at 10,000, and you're waiting for the right time, Flipkart sale and all that, and at right time, at the time of Diwali, you got the same shoe at 8,000. That is a right time to buy. So this comes for the stocks as well and for the sectors as well. Sometimes sector PE, so lesser the PE, better the stock. I want you to just focus right now. तो पूरे सेक्टर का पीई 31 है. द पीई फॉर द एंटायर सेक्टर इज 31, right? So if the PE of the companies now is less than 31, means the sector is underperforming right now. There's always a cycle in the sectors, guys. Sometimes all the companies within the sector, they goes up, and sometimes all the companies within a specific sector, they goes down and stays down for a specified period, for a long period. And that is the time you need to analyze that it is the right time to start investing in a specific sector. Let's see. So over here you can see almost all the companies are having higher PE ratio than the industry PE. Means chemical industry PE is 31, and Pidilite is having 65, Gujarat Fluorotech is having 63, Deepak Nitrate is having 38. Means as such, overall all the companies are having higher PE. Now how to shortlist? Now guys, this is the first thing that you will be seeing. You will be entering your company over here, right? Whatever company you want to see, and see the industry PE first of all, and see how the other companies are performing. This is step number 1. Now go up and see this table now, this chart now. Now I want you to focus over here once more, guys. See, हमें ये तो पता लगाना ही है, we need to find one thing that when not to invest in a company. सबसे पहले तो हमें कंपनी कब नहीं खरीदनी है, that thing should be sure in our mind. That is why this technical chart would come into play. So guys, this is the earnings per share, right? And this line with this is the PE. So whensoever, guys, let's see for the 10 years, the PE, and see the best time right now, best time that you should have invested in this company when the earnings are higher and PE is less. Just see over here. जब जब earnings का जो bar है, this stick, this cylinder, I would say, this graph, this bar is higher than the PE, it it is a good time to enter in a company. Regardless, when P this line is higher and surpassing this bar, that is absolutely not a good time to invest. So if we see this area, I want you to tell me, this blue one is the earning and this line is the PE. Now I want you to answer me, should I invest over here at this point of time in this sector or in this company? No, people are saying no. Absolutely, guys. Why? Because over here the P have surpassed the earnings. तो अभी हमने we have learned this thing that if the PE have crossed the earning EPS, earning per share, then it's absolutely not a good time to invest in that company at that point of time, I would say. Otherwise, यहाँ पे invest करना है नहीं करना है, that is still debatable because there are multiple parameters that we have to see and we have to learn yet, right? But कहाँ invest नहीं करना है, that is for sure that you should not be investing over here because your returns will not be high. Let's see for some another company. Now let's see for this one first of all. Now this is paper industry, right? Let's see. The PE ratio of the entire paper industry is what, guys? Is 19, right? And the PE industry of the companies is around 19. Now what do you say? ये तो इसको अगर छोड़ दें आंध्रा पेपर को, rest all the companies are in this range only. So what you make out of this data, guys? That this sector is underperforming as such. ये सेक्टर की कंपनीज अंडरपरफॉर्मिंग है फिलहाल, राइट? सो दो आई टोल्ड यू देयर आर मल्टीपल, नहीं अंडर परफॉर्मिंग है तो इट्स गुड गाइज. अंडर परफॉर्मिंग का मतलब है इफ दीज कंपनीज, आई एम नॉट सेइंग अंडर परफॉर्मिंग इज नॉट द राइट वर्ड, आई टेक माई वर्ड बैक. दीज कंपनीज आर डिस्काउंटेड, आई वुड से. मीन्स अभी ये कंपनी के शेयर सस्ते हैं. दीज आर डिस्काउंटेड, राइट? Regarding the performance, we need to see the financial statements and other things, right? Now it's cheap, I would say. Now let's see. Oh, now see this, guys. What's your take on this now? So we should not be investing in this company, is it so? To buy rest of the class, I would say we should not be invest. So guys, it was a trick question. We should invest basically. Why? See guys, what I told you, the PE is very down and the earnings are quite high right now. So if you see the timings of the entry using the PE ratio, right, this could have been a good entry point. Means if somebody enters over here or maybe here or maybe here at any point of time, see the bars itself, the earning point of view is quite high and the PE is quite low. But eventually slowly it started going up and now it's definitely not the good time to invest. If somebody is investing right now, regardless of the company is good or bad, he may not end up good with good amount of returns out of this, right? And let's see for 10 years, whenever, so this is what I wanted to say. This is called as, sectoral rotation. Each sector goes in a rotation. Sometimes the entire sector goes down, sometimes the sectors goes very up. So you need to see which sector is performing, what is the PE of the sectors, right? How the companies are performing, and then you can go down and you can see the returns, see how the returns, how these companies are. Then you will be seeing the reports, then you will be seeing the government news on that sector, why it is not performing. And if everything, there could be some taxation by the government, there could be some raw material shortage, or there could be a ban on the raw materials from some another country, right? Something like that. Or there could be an export ban as well. So the thing is that we need to see why this is happening. But this is a good time to analyze a company. When the entire sector is down, means if entire sector is down, there could not be, so the companies are not good. It could be some sectoral rotation going on, and that is a good time to shortlist the companies within the sector. लेट मी रिपीट माई सेल्फ. हमें सेक्टर, पूरा का पूरा सेक्टर अगर सस्ते में मिल रहा है तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि पूरा का पूरे सेक्टर की कंपनीज अच्छी नहीं है. कंपनीज मस्ट बी गुड बट सेक्टर इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग, तो उस टाइम में हमें कंपनी शॉर्टलिस्ट करके वी शुड एटलीस्ट वेट फॉर द गुड न्यूज़, or we should invest some amount of money. Why? Because if there is some ban by the government, maybe that ban maybe get lifted, right? That's why we should wait for the good news, or we should invest some small amount of money, so that once the ban is lifted you can invest more money. So you can invest in slot sizes, 10% now, then again 20%, like that. So money is not get your money doesn't get stuck. So invest in small packet, packets like that. So this is how you can see the sectoral rotation happening within a sector and how the companies are performing, and you can use this graph, PE ratio for investment. This is absolutely not a good time. अगर कभी ये पता ना लगे इन्वेस्ट करें या ना करें, कम से कम ये तो पता होना ही चाहिए कि इन्वेस्ट कब ना करें. You should always be aware of the fact that when not to invest. If you are confused that should you invest or not, but when not to invest is very important. Guys, I hope everyone is with me, and if you have any doubts, now you can ask.